yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder.
Okay, so the quick lunch, the kids are having cucumber cookies. They're gonna have, what's that under there? A wrap, mandarin, and yogurt. I'm trying to get them out the door. And then they're gonna have their juice. Here, zip it up, let's go. And then I emptied out the containers. Come on. Good boy. Go. Go. Go do your business. Alright, let's go.
You're not doing my hair?
No, your hair is fine. Come on. We are late.
Almost forgot your phone.
Thank you. I have to let the dog in, so
Hold on.
this is how the day is going. Come on, boy. I'll be back, okay?
Huh? This one? No, this one.
Okay. I smart behind decided that I was gonna back the truck up into the garage and not take the grocery out. So let's do this the hard way. Okay, so I got the stuff out. Now I just have to, I don't know why I don't take the groceries out the truck. Oh, that's right, nosy neighbors. Okay, so this is the laundry detergent that I use. It's called Extra, and I get the Tropical Passion. This was like, I think, almost $11. I remember when these were $4. I got this one, the Shout. This is the refillable because I have a lot of the other ones, so I figured it would just be worth it just to get the refillable and just refill the bottles that I have. And then I got some more salad for my husband because he's on a healthy kick these days. And then I just picked up some spinach for myself. And then I got some planters. So I have 2 plants over there. Let me show y'all. These, I don't know why my husband's keeping them. But I have these 2 snake plants that I want to repot. And I also repotted this guy. My mother-in-law gave it to me for Valentine's Day like 2 years ago, and it's still alive, and I don't ever water it. So yeah, I mean, the leaf, there's some stuff wrong with the leaf right here, but I never ever watered this thing. But I want to start taking care of it because I think it's 2 or 3 years old and it's still alive, and it's the only plant that I can keep alive, that and the snake plant. So I'm going to start taking care of my plants, you know, just like how I'm starting to take care of myself. I have to start taking care of my plants. So I just got this planter for on top of the table, and then I got this one for where our dog eats his food. I don't know. So this can be moved around. And then I got some potted soil. Got some fantastic surface cleaner. And then I got some Suavitel. This was $3. Everything is like $11 these days. Everything is like $11. So I got this to try it out to see if I like it. So the plan for the day is it's now 8:50, and the plan for the day is to get my workout in and start a load of laundry. Stay on top of the laundry, get as much footage as I can in. I don't have anything planned for today, so I should be able to get the house clean. I have to take out dinner. Well, my husband took out dinner already, so I don't have to do that. And that's the goal. So yeah, let's do it, okay? So this gotta go upstairs. We're scanning for clothes. Nothing here. That don't belong there, but that I don't need to wash. Scanning, scanning. You helping me? Nice. Scanning, scanning. This is what I do every day. Scanning. No. Oh, socks. We need these. All right, let's start a load of laundry. Okay, guys. So the last time I update you guys, it was I don't remember the last time. Got my workout in, so I'm getting ready to repot the plant. So let's do that.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay, now I have to clean this mess that I made. This is a brand new rug. Just put stuff all over it. And there's no money what I made.
I wanna hold his
His
hand,
lunches.
'cause I
Mushed
can't stop
raspberry there.
thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say,
That we
'cause
put to wash earlier in the dryer, and then put another load, and then make something to eat. Okay, second load for the day is going. I don't know what to eat. I'm trying to go until 12 o'clock, but that's not gonna happen because I'm starving like Marvin. But I also need to fill this up and start drinking, but it's 11 o'clock. I can do it. Yeah, I can do it. I'm gonna fill this up and try to pump as much water in my body as I can. Clear up this surface area and get something to eat. Okay guys, so that raspberry I was showing y'all over there, I got it on the rug, So I'm using this guy and this thing right here. So try to do it with one hand. Spray some on here, and then all gone. Works like a charm. So apparently I have mail, a ton of it, so guess what? You guys are gonna, hold on. I was exercising. I was doing an arm workout, but I got a ton of mail. It's windy outside. I don't know why, but it's windy. So you guys are gonna open with me. So hold on. All right, stay there. Okay, so first package is from Amazon. I don't know what that is. This is the screen protector for my phone. This is the paper seal. My phone, my iPad. This is the paper seal screen protector. And then I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the desktop metal holder for tablet. I'm gonna open that and let y'all see in a minute. And then next up we have this guy. So this is the keyboard for my computer as well as my laptop. For my laptop as well as my iPad. And then this is the stand for my computer. Then next we have protective case for my iPad. And this is a cleaner. Why is it that color? I hope it's pink. I hope it's pink because I ordered pink. Let's open it right now because oh yeah, it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. Okay, all right, crisis averted. Okay, all right, yay. I believe is my Apple Pencil, because I forgot to tell y'all I'm going back to school for my master's in psychology. So my Apple Pencil and then my mouse. Okay, all right, at least it is my iPad. Can't open it. This is hard. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. So I got, well, my husband ordered me the iPad Pro 11-inch. And I had it engraved. And I put Janice loves cello, which cello is my husband's nickname. So yay. I'm gonna do an unboxing over on my TikTok channel. I will link that down below so you guys can go watch that. And then after that, I will show you guys everything set up. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited. Okay guys, so the sofa is here. I ordered it from Living Spaces and it's massive. This one needs to be out of the space. I don't know if I can do it. These are 2 accent chairs. And then I need to rearrange that living room over there to accommodate all these seating. We're a family of 8. That's our Bible study area. And this is our living room. So let's put it together. Okay guys, so I managed to take everything out the space. Well, the couch is still here, but I put it this way so that the couch is facing the TV, but everything is just going this way. The table is going, the dining table is going that way, the couch is going that way. I just want something to go against the, you know, the grain. So I think I'm going to flip this on that side and then have 2 chairs here, because I feel like I am closing off the space. For what reason? You know what I mean? So even though I love the walkway that I created around here, that way you can just walk into the space from all angles. But I don't know. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. But I don't know. I just want to create a very inviting space. I had my breakfast, but I don't know. So I'm gonna put it against the wall. I hate furniture against the wall, but you know your house is small when your furniture is against the wall. But I love a cozy space, so I'm gonna put it against the wall and see how I like it. I gotta switch the rug around. All of this was hard. Okay guys, so don't mind that random ball. This is where I'm leaving off. I love this couch. I love the couch. I put these 2 chairs, they need to be washed. Right here I'm switching out the covers so that I can pull the black from over there into this space. So that cover belongs to there, but that's not gonna get done no time soon. And then I am putting this pretty cover in that space over there, and then these are going in the front room. But like I said, I'm not gonna change. I might change this out. This is from Christmas. These 2 are from Christmas, so I might switch them out. And then I kept this table right here. I don't know if it's gonna stay. And then I switched these 2 chairs. I put them right here, and I put this table here for right now. This might change. And then I kept my table. And then we have family photo. Finally, after 5 years, I feel like we're home. So I put up family photos. First time in 5 years. And I put the long couch against this wall. All this stuff needs to go down to the basement. And then I have to decorate that space over there and this wall slowly but surely. But yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I don't even know where this vlog is going, whether it's a vlog, I don't know what it is, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.